The Essential Guide to Game Tester Jobs: Fantasy versus Fact, Part 1. Getting a game tester job can be challenging because of the competition, but once you have already been accepted into a studio or company, you'll get the opportunity to immerse yourself in game development culture and, if you want, you can stay there and flourish, but only if you are willing to put in the necessary hard work. In today's lesson, we're going to debunk some common myths, fantasies regarding game tester jobs, so you will know exactly what you will be getting into. Fantasy. Game testing is like going on vacation and getting paid for it. Fact. Game studios and companies expect a lot of output from game testers and incentivize testers who are able to discover and document serious bugs in the game. With no output, you won't last long in the business. Period. Game testing is easy. Anyone can do it. Fact. Game testing requires technical knowledge, the ability to analyze, and even formal writing skills. If you have no such skills, you will have a rocky start in game testing because you will have to learn the skills on the fly. Fantasy. Game testing is a job for lazy people who have no real skills. Fact. People who have graduated from gaming degrees often end up with low-level jobs in the industry in the beginning. That means you will be working with people with a variety of educational backgrounds and capabilities. Do not underestimate your competition. Click the link below for a complete ebook guide on how to become a game tester.